Myself, Dr. K. Shankar, Principal of Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, Singapore, obtained my PhD from IIT Kanpur in Civil Engineering. Kamala Institute of Technology and Science is established in the year 1997 by Vaditala Education Society. Captain B. Lakshmikant Rao, MP Rajya Sabha, is the chairman, and Shri V. Satish Kumar, MLA Usnabad, is the secretary of this institution. This institution is established midway of the Karimnagar and Warangal State Highway on 30 acres of lush green campus. Our institution is also accredited by NAAC. We are well-established laboratories, state-of-art infrastructure facilities like AC seminar halls, outdoor and indoor games facilities, auditorium, boys hostel and girls hostel on the campus. We have highly qualified, committed and experienced faculty members. Our management gives paramount importance to the holistic development of the students. We are the only college under the JNTU University having NCC wing with 100 cadets, and also we have very active NSS wing. Kamala Institute of Technology and Science is having a separate training and placement cell which provides the training and also place the students in various corporate companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, RAM Group, etc. I feel extremely proud to be associated with Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, which is providing quality technical education at the doorstep of rural students and helping them a successful career. Thank you.
I am Dr. N.V. Deshpande, Head of the Civil Engineering Department in the KIT Singapuram. We have the intake of 60 in Civil branch, BTech in Civil Engineering. We have got all the 10 labs with state-of-art instruments. We provide the appropriate teaching, training as well as learning to the students. We also focus on the skill development among the students, focusing on to soft skill as well as hard skill. Our placement ratio is also quite good.
HOD of Electrical Engineering Department. For the EEE students, there are so many opportunities. They can join in software companies as well as electronics industries like BSNL and other opportunities. And then they can have the core jobs also like government sector, NPTCL and AP Transco and transmission companies, private transmission companies also, they get the job. So they have got plenty of opportunities and wide areas. They can do the research also in some of the activities like in high voltage engineering, power systems and smart grid and power quality improvements and power factor improvements and other areas such as designing and electrical contractors they can do. So they can get the employment as well as the students can become their employers on their own. So there are lot of opportunities, and right now in our department all the staff members are qualified, well qualified, and regularly their students are getting the jobs in the core as well as software engineering companies. Like appeal to the aspirants of the undergraduate course in the department, they can join the EEE department, okay, and they can join jobs like in one hand they will have the degree from JNTU, BTech degree, and then they may have jobs in other hand.
Namaste, myself Dr. Satish Kumar. I am Head of Mechanical Engineering Department. Coming to my department, the 4 pillars of my department are our alumni, our students, our labs and our staff members. I am very happy to share with you, we have committed and qualified staff members in the department. 3 of our staff members have already completed their PhD and 1 more has submitted and 6 more are in the pipeline. And technical supporting staff, they are well experienced and skilled, highly skilled we have. And coming to our alumni, the alumni are well settled in India and abroad in both public sector and private sector, and they are working in software and also as well as core fields. And the department was established in the year 2003. We are running both BTech in Mechanical Engineering and also MTech Advanced Manufacturing Systems. In our department, we will concentrate not only on teaching but also on practicals and especially on project works. Most of the project works our students will take up on societal problems. They will try to solve the societal challenges in general and rural problems in particular. Majority of the projects even won prizes at state level also. Thank you.
I am Dr. B. Ramesh, Head of ECE Department. Coming to my department, it is having 120 intake, and the strengths of our department are experienced and qualified faculty and qualified technical supporting staff. We conduct classes in e-classrooms to give concepts with visual presentation. And coming to the final year projects, our students undertake projects on latest technologies and also real-time projects. And we organize co-curricular and extracurricular activities and guest lectures from industry and reputed organizations to build the all-round performance. And regarding the placements, our students get placed in various companies like MNCs in TCS, IBM, Accenture, ADP, etc. And our students, our alumni also working in public sectors like BDL, BEL, HAL, etc. and also as scientists in DRDO, DO, ISRO. And we conduct GATE classes and competitive examinations to build the all-round performance in the students.
Myself, Dr. Lieutenant Ravindra Babu Kallam, Professor and Head of the Department of Computer Science of Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, which is located in Singapore, Karimnagar. And also I am NCC officer and Boys Hostel Senior Warden. I am glad to mention that the current intake of the department is 120 and we have highly qualified and well-experienced staff members. Presently we have 3 doctorates and 13 more faculty who are pursuing their doctorates from several universities. Part of our curriculum, we are developing several consultancy projects, and by developing the consultancy projects, with the help of the practical knowledge, our students could able to place in a number of MNCs. Last year, we could able to give 99% of the placements, and this year also, at present, in the first semester itself, 73 students got placed in several MNCs like Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Cognizant, Chopper, and many more. And I am happy to mention that our students are really doing well. Being an NCC officer, I like to give the brief about NCC also, and the current intake of NCC is 100. Our students were really doing good, and one of the students was participated in RDC parade at Delhi, and even he has gone through the YEP program, that is the Youth Exchange program, through which he have attended the camp at Russia. And last year also one more cadet have appeared in the local RDC parade at state level. And our students were really good, doing good in NCC, and through NCC also many students are getting opportunities in several companies. And being a Boys Hostel Senior Warden, I also like to mention that we have rooms for where we can equip near about 300 plus students, and in each room we are allocating 3 students or 3 to 4 students in the rooms, and we have a separate mess for boys and girls hostels, and our mess is running on the cooperative basis, and the menu will be decided by the student itself. So it's a wonderful opportunity for the engineering aspirants. We have all the facilities here. We have state-of-art equipment in the college. Even though it is placed in the rural area, we can say that this is the best platform and this best college in the Telangana state.
This is Dr. Rajeshwar Rao, working as a professor of physics, and I am heading the Department of Humanities and Sciences after finishing my PhD from NIT Warangal. The department total strength is 21 members, out of which 8 members possess PhD, and very proud thing about my PhD candidates is that 6 members are from NIT Warangal, and there are about 4 faculty members who are pursuing their PhDs from various organizations. The HNS department basically looks into the academics of the first years. The total first year's academics will be taken care by the HNS department. So the department not only looking into the academics of the first year, they also encourage the students to participate in various activities. The department also conducts various activities for the benefit of staff members at the national level. And another important thing for the department is, as in person myself, I am the president of the Indian Association of Physics Teachers, Telangana region, and under its belt we are helping the neighboring institution, and our focus is mainly to give a benefit for the rural people, and that to the government high schools, through which we are serving a lot to this society.
Good morning friends, I am Dr. K. Vijayalakshmi, Training and Placement Officer, Singapuram Kids College. We have a very strong TNP cell, with the 6 members TNP cell. We continuously interact with the industry and identify the gaps between industry and academia. And we, right from second year, we give training with the help of in-house training faculty, and also we rope in the services of external experts and continuously conduct interviews, mock interviews, and give them training in aptitude, soft skills. And we invite all the top MNCs to our college, and I am very proud to state that our students are placed in almost all the domestic and international multinational corporations, and our footprint is there in every industry. And last year we were able to place more than 300 students while they are on campus, and more than 50 students got placed after leaving the campus. And this year our benchmark is 350, and already we were able to achieve the target by more than 50%. And I'm very confident that by the end of this academic year we'll be able to place all the eligible students on this campus.
Hello all, I am Sai Tej from Kamala Institute of Technology and Science from Computer Science and Engineering stream. I am glad to say that I am placed in TCS, and I thank my department and training and placement cell for improving my technical and non-technical skills and giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I suggest engineering aspirants to choose this college for bright future.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavya and I belong to Computer Science and Engineering department in Kamala Institute of Technology and Science. I got placed in Unschool, which is an edutech company, and I thank all my department for providing me all the facilities with well-equipped lab, internship programs and workshops. And I also thank my training and placement cell for providing me all the training programmings like CRT programmings, which included the group discussions, resume writing. And I suggest the future engineering aspirants to take Kamala Institute of Technology as the best option to develop themselves individually. Hi all, this is Anunya. I am from Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, KIT Singapuram, Telangana district, with computer science as my major. I would like to gladly inform you that I have got placed in Cognizant. First of all, I would like to thank my management, department, principal and HOD for helping us in placed in several companies. Apart from this, we are also having extra and co-curricular activities also. So I would like to suggest engineering aspirants to choose Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, Singapuram as their platform for their bright future.
Hi everyone, this is Sahiti from Computer Science Department of Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, which is located at Singapuram, Karimnagar district in Telangana state. I am very glad to share you that I got placed in Cognizant. I am very thankful to my department, which provided me with very much facilities, which includes lab facilities, internship programs and also workshops. I am very thankful to my TNP cell, which also provided me various training programs. I would like to suggest all the engineering aspirants to choose Kamala Institute of Technology, Science as their best option.
Hello everyone, I am Katyayani, a computer science and engineering student from Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, Hyderabad, Karimnagar, Telangana. Our college has provided us with all the necessities. Our department has conducted several training sessions under the guidance of our principal sir and our HOD sir, making use of which we could get our jobs in our dream companies. And I'm glad to announce that I'm one among them. I've got placed in ILM. We have a vast library which not only provides books but also provides us with all the training articles. Being in such a rural area, our college has satisfied all our requirements. So, with all my experience, I'd proudly suggest all upcoming generations to join KITSES for the future success. Thank you.
I am Srijanandi Alam of Electrical Engineering Department of Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, Singapore. For students who want to excel in engineering, I feel our college is the best because with constant support from the faculty and with well-equipped laboratories, it's helping the students to be a successful engineers. I got placed in Tata Groups with a constant support from our HOD, our training and placement cell and our management.
Hi everyone, this is Sai Krishna Yadav from Degree Department pursuing BTech in Kamala Institute of Technology. I have placed in 2 companies, QSpiders and JSpiders and TopBird through campus interview.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi from the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering from Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, Singapuram, Karimnagar, Telangana. I am placed in DXC Solutions. I want to express my gratitude towards HOD, department, management and principal sir. Our department has organized many events like conducted workshops and also attended many industrial tours etc. And at last I want to tell all engineering aspects that joining kids to make your life better.
Hello everyone, I am Abhinaya. I am from Electronics and Communication Department. I am from Kamala Institute of Technology and Science. I got placed in TCS. I thank my entire department, TNP and my kids family for being supportive and providing resources like library and well-equipped laboratories, good faculty. I finally advise all the engineering aspirants to join Kamala Institute for better future.